Hello. We're exhausted. It's the 9th of October, and it's day 36, I believe. Oh, babies. They're all tired, and I need to come in and clean up the sheet, or the blanket, I should say. You're getting some water, Dolly. Blue is Dolly, like Dalai Lama. White is Kifa, which means retrieve in Zulu. And she's got a new collar. There's Boomer, who used to be green. Let's see. Charlie over there, who's orange, likes to sleep on the pee pads. Gray is Buddha. Buddha! He's such a Buddha. He's got a Buddha belly. And then brown is Bosco. So cute. So the only one we have available now is Black, who's drinking water. He's our little guy. He's so flippin' cute. I could really keep him, but the husband says no. All right, this is going to be a short one because I'm super tired. All right, bye.